Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 6 Collyer Street in Belmont. This home just oozes warmth, and the owners will lovingly updated this home from its immaculate gardens to its renovated kitchen and bathrooms out to its Bali style backyard. All you need to do now is pick the furniture and move right in. So come on in and enjoy your tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 6 Collyer Street in Belmont. As you can see, it's not just a cliche home, it is the perfect home to move just the furniture in. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Berks website.